Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. Who else has those nasty, irritating bumps on the back of their arms? Yeah, me too. Well, let me just tell you, this Manuka honey cream from Clearbody Organics has truly helped to soften and soothe my irritating skin. So I have dry skin anyways, and especially in the winter months, it gets extremely dry, causing me to have cracks in between my fingers. Ugh, I know, it's horrible. So I read that Manuka honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. So that's why I wanted to try this cream out. It's also made with colloidal oatmeal, lavender oil, and aloe leaf juice, which I think just helps to enhance its moisturizing and hydrating effects. So I got the 4-ounce container, and I will say that a little bit of this moisturizer goes a long ways. So I just apply a small amount to the area that I need, and I massage it in really, really good. And it's nice because it absorbs quickly and it doesn't leave my skin oily or greasy afterwards. It has a very smooth and creamy consistency, it's lightweight, and it doesn't have much of a scent to it. So not only do I have dry and irritated skin, but I also have sensitive skin, and I love that this cream is very gentle on my skin, and the fact that I can use it on mostly any part of my body from face to feet. I've always blamed my mom and heredity for my irritated, bumpy skin, but now I can thank this Manuka honey cream because my skin has been feeling so much better ever since I started using this. And that's my point of view.